All right, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new pair of Yeezys, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it with Rod Wave's whole album, bro. Go listen to it. I really like it. And yeah, let's take a look at these Yeezys. All right, so here we got the Yeezy 350 Ash Pearls. I was able to get these for retail. Well, not me actually. My sister was able to get them. These are a size 9, so they are a little bit small, but I'm just gonna make it work just for the on feet. These retail for around $220. After tax and shipping and everything, it goes up to around $240, maybe like $380 something, which isn't terrible. I don't know how much these go for. I'm assuming around like $260 or so, like on StockX and Go. So yeah, it's basically just a regular 350 box, and we got the Yeezys right here. And these Yeezys actually aren't too bad. I kind of like them. I would say my favorite part about this shoe has to be this upper right here. I like the gold part right here and the laces, bro. These laces are so fire. Like genuinely, I just love how the laces match with like this prime knit on the side, and it just works really good with this shoe. I actually don't have many 350s in my collection, but if I were to get these for retail, I really wouldn't be mad about it. These are so nice. So yeah, let me just put these right back on the box and spin them around for you guys. Do want to mention this part is gonna get a little bit yellowed. Not terrible because it's already pre-yellowed, but it is gonna get yellow. So yeah, overall I would give these Yeezys a solid, I would say 8 out of 10, man. These are super nice. I genuinely really like this shoe, and I don't know, I might even pick these up in the future. Like, these are really nice. Again, this is the Yeezy 350 Ash Pearl, and I think you should go out and get them. I don't think they go for too much on StockX and Go and stuff like that. So yeah, that's enough. Let me just spin these around one more time for you guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and let's take a look at these on feet.